Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Hillcrest, local and long distance movers near me. Are you moving to Hillcrest, California from within the city or a surrounding city? We categorize this as a local move and recommend local movers who know the city well and can quickly move your belongings to your new home. The best local CA movers from your move is Hillcrest 3 Movers local moving team. Regardless of the type of apartment you are moving to, Hillcrest CA movers have the best personnel for the move. Hillcrest Local TM Movers has the most capable local movers in Hillcrest. With decades of experience and the best equipment, we guarantee a swift, effortless move. Hillcrest Local 3 Movers team is safety conscious and professional. The team is efficient and has a fantastic record of successful local moves. You can avoid all the stress of moving by letting our team of local movers help you with your move. We will ensure that your move is pleasurable and hitch-free. For the best long-distance movers in California, we recommend the expert services of Hillcrest Long Distance 3 Movers. With a team with decades of experience in long-distance moves and prioritizes the safety of your belongings are in the best hands with Hillcrest Long Distance 3 Movers. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Hillcrest moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.